I'm Steve Howard, I'm Chief Sustainability Officer for IKEA Group. I love wood, I love trees, but I really love forests. Unfortunately, we've already lost about half the world's forests. Although the good news is we can see more and more of the remaining forests coming under responsible forest management. We use the Forest Stewardship Council to make sure that the forests where we source from are well managed in a way that's good for nature, good for environment and good for people. Since the last few years, we've seen an area the size of Italy come under responsible forest management, get FSC certified, as a result of our work and the work of partners of ours, such as WWF. We're going to see that area grow, the size of a country of Switzerland, almost every year going forwards. And we're at 40% of our wood coming from FSC certified forests or from recycled wood. We set a target to say 50% by 2017, 100% by 2020. And that's what we mean by being forest positive. It's really contributing to good forest management around the world, more and beyond the needs of our business. So whenever you look at a Billy bookshelf, or at a lac table, or at anything else that's wooden in IKEA, you'll know it's part of this value chain, this engine that's driving improvements in forest management around the world. If every business did this, we could make a massive difference for the world's forests in a really short amount of time.